Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies.
From scratch. Okay, and so for the ingredients, you're gonna need 1/2 of unsalted butter, sugar, light brown sugar, 1 egg, pure vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, and chocolate chips. You'll also need 2 separate mixing bowls, a hand mixer, and parchment paper. Okay, and then here is everything that we are going to be using today. And I am going to let Demia do this all by herself. I'm just gonna stand here and basically monitor her and make sure that she doesn't need any help.
First I'm going to put the butter in.
Oh, so make sure you mix it up good.
Okay.
Okay, so here is what our cookie dough looks like. And from here, we just lined our cookie pan with parchment paper, and then we're gonna roll the cookie dough into small round balls, and then we're gonna put the cookie dough in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, and then that's when we'll go ahead and put it in the oven. All right, so here is our finished product of our cookie dough made from scratch. So we're gonna go ahead and just let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes again, like I said, and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are completely done. And here are the cookies fresh out of the oven. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this recipe and you want to see more. Bye.